Hi, thank you for checking this space out. I'm Jacob. I am an artist activist, a writer, and a musician, and I am the creator of this community. So I started this community a few years back. It began on Discord, and over time, its purpose has shifted. As our community's needs have changed, and as the world has changed, it's morphed slowly into what it is today. A wholesome, interdisciplinary community for artists and activists alike. Each month, we invite a resident artist into our space. This could be a colleague or collaborator of mine, a dear friend, or an esteemed guest who we don't quite know so well yet, but who seems pretty interesting. And we hold an audio chat that centers them and their lived experience, as well as the needs of the moment. What I mean by this is that the conversations we hold during our chats are facilitated by me and our resident, but led by our patrons and our past residents alongside us. Each month's chat may veer off in any number of directions. And in a space like this, veering is good. Our talks are public to attend, available for all members of our Discord community to hear. Participation, however, is limited to our supporters here. These chats are kind, wholesome, and peaceful, always rooted in the lived experience of the artists that we feature. And it's important to provide our patrons with a means to feel heard and supported, to provide a space where patrons and residents can form their own relationships. Our community of past resident artists helps to choose which artists next come join our space. So far we have dancers, actors, poets, musicians, experimental artists of all kinds, and great thinkers. And for all members who support us here, we have an ever-expanding backlog of recordings from previous resident artist chats. We hope that you will consider joining us in this space, sharing a bit of your resources so that our residents can be compensated for the time, wisdom, and patience that they share with our community at large. And of course, thank you for being you. Without each and every one of you, there is no community. So I sincerely hope to get the chance to talk to you soon.